Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Well, I'm doing the cover part of the deck. So yesterday, the day after I finished the deck outside, I empty all my deck. I'm just gonna show you that. So I took also the main ramp here. Okay, I'm gonna show you that where they are. So all my stuff are being emptied. I'm gonna keep the ramp there because there's a drop for safety reason. But I empty everything, and the ramps are right down there. Okay. So I did an inspection of all the posts. Everything is good. There's no rotten, except I thought to have only one, but I ended up doing about a few of them, like you just see. So I went to get my leftover wood from the I have 6 good ones, so I'm gonna change them. The reason why they were rotted so bad is because here they practically no junction around here. They should put all these wood there. The reason why it's rotten is because it's all junction end of so the water was going, and that's why they went bad. And also under the main support. Let's see, I'm gonna go on the other side. You guys have a better view. Yes, of course I use my jack. So what I've done this morning is I arrived with the jack, and I screwed this 4x4 into, and then I lift it, and then I put those 3 support posts to support the corner there. So, and then I start to remove the bad one, then I had another bad one, then another bad one. Luckily, the main posts are not too much. They are not too much damaged. There are some, but they are salvageable. So what I will do is I will soak them with hydraulic oil. The wood plank under will be soaked with hydraulic oil. So well, this is the ramps. So today that's my goal. I'm gonna reinstall that. It's early in the we're Friday today, and so I'm gonna finish that today. This weekend I'm renting a sander, so I'm gonna sand all. It's a floor vibrating. It's 2 feet by 3 feet, and I'm gonna make a short video of it. So I'm gonna sand this, the deck. I also have the stain. It's oil-based stain, so it's very. And then I'm gonna cover it with a good protection. Probably Thompson with reseal, because the thing is my dog often sleep on the deck, so it's we'll say about that. And also I'm gonna do my kitchen floor. It's really bad, so since I have it will be done. All right, so that was a short update video. All right, cheers, thank you, and have a good weekend. Bye bye. Good day, gentlemen and ladies. So I finally finished to fix that corner. It's look neat there, right? I also under the main support beam, they're all undercoated with hydraulic oil grease, and I reinforce the corner also with the concrete post. What I've done also is I put hydraulic on the top because it's not gonna be sanded. It's the ladder going on the top of that, the stairs, not the ladders, but the stairs itself. One thing that I forgot to mention is yesterday I rebuild. I just all done. You see that wall there? From that to there, I completely rebuild it. So I back it up 1 foot. It used to go like finish right here at the corner. Now I back it up 1 foot in angle, so it's ain't gonna be removing. The thing is, they used to have a plant here, and it was causing a lot of shade, and it was not keeping the wood was never dry. So that's why probably another adding factor, then he went bad. So by removing that plant, back it up backing up the wall, And one thing it took me along is I dig a trench. Well, it was almost 2 feet deep, and I filled it with wash rock, so the water will go away. So yeah, I really clean that. I tidy up that corner so it will be more neat. All right. So this afternoon I'm going to get the sander. And tomorrow it's the sanding job for Saturday and Sunday. That's why I'm gonna take care of that floor, and also inside my kitchen, which you already saw the disgusting well leftover from the varnish. They used water varnish about 15 years ago. That's crap. When you do a floor, use oil varnish. It's losing your money. You save money on the top, but 5 years later it's all peeling off. All right, so take care of yourself. Cheers. Bye bye.